Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a lock pin by WestCoastPicks entitled Unifail. Here's the bidding on it. Yep, it's locked up. As you can see, it's been picked. So now we're going to zoom in and pick again. In the counterclockwise. Now, I don't know how long it took me to do that last one. But this is a fun little pick, man. And it's been a little while since I've picked the WestCoastPicks lock. Speaking of which, it's been a while since I've seen him pick one of my locks. Huh. Maybe we need to do a trade. I don't know. Excuse me. This lock is interesting, man. It has like mass feedback and then no feedback, and then you work at it for a minute, and then when you touch it in the right spot, it moves for you. You gotta touch it in the right spot. And then it moves just a little bit, and then that opens it back up a little bit more. My. A nice lock, man. I can't wait to get into it. So, I'm doing a trade with average lock picker right now. But man, I need some more trades, y'all. You know, hit me up. Even if you have nothing to trade me, I'm sure you probably do. You just haven't figured it out yet. I don't know, man. I love doing trades, and I want to get some more locks out there. And I have a ton of other people's challenge locks. There we go. And my own that I'm working on. So And there we go. We got her. Sweet. All right. Fix back. Back it up here. The key is mummy, and so I don't like unmummifying keys if I don't have to. There we go. There we go. Nice. It's a pin and pin. There we go. Spool. Serrated spool. Serration. One serration. A really nice spool. And it looks like in the core we have I don't know, is that something there? It almost looks like it's slightly serrated in number 6. I don't know if you can see that or not, but interesting. Alright, let's see what we got up in the Bible. Right? Serrated. There's a spring. A nice spool. Spring. Spool. Spring. Oh. Crazy, man. It's T-pin, serrated T-pin thing. Oh no. There we go. Oh, there we go. And it looks like nothing was done up in the Bible there. So, let's see what we got here. Alright, we have a pin and pin, spool, serrated spool, serrated spool, serrated spool, this awesome 10 T-pin spool, this is interesting, this spool has a hole in it right there, like you started to do something with it and then not. And then we have another one of these awesome T-penny type things. Oh, it's a pin and pin. I mean, like a pin inside, like the pin. I bet you this one, that's what that one is too. Oh, that's crazy. So these two right here have this movable part here in the middle, and that's insane. And then different springs across the board. So, again, this comes to us from WestCoastPicks. Let me zoom in here for you. WestCoastPicks, entitled Unifail. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.